Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how we can install Python programming language or Python interpreter in Windows 11. So just go in your favorite browser and search for Python install. So you will be redirected to the official website of Python. Here you can see python.org/downloads. Here you will be redirected to this page for Python's websites. And here you can see the section about downloads, documents, community, sources and other things. From here you will get all you want regarding the Python. And if you scroll down, you can see all other versions of Pythons are listed here. From here you can install the specific version of Python you want. But for now we are going to install the latest version of Python. Mostly it is also known as a latest stable release, and it is shown here in the header section of the website. So you can see this yellow button where download Python 3.11.4. Download the latest version for Windows. And you can download this thing from the downloads tab as well. You can see here the button is listed. If you want to download it for other platforms such as Mac OS, Linux and other operating systems, you can download from here by selecting it. So I'm just clicking download Python and you can see here it is getting downloaded. So I will open my downloads folder and you can see here Python 3.11.4 64-bit version is installed as my operating system is 64-bit, and you can see its size is around 24,800 kilobytes. It's near about 24 MB. So here you can see. Okay, so let's install the Python. I am just opening it and selecting run as administrator. Here we getting two options. First is install now and custom installation. So in custom installation you can customize your installation, and in install now all the dependencies packages are listed. Also check this add Python to path. Here you can see it will added the Python in your environment variable. So you can use Python from anywhere or any directory in your computer. So I'm checking this and I am going to click on install now. So you can see Python is getting installed. Now you can see setup was successful and Python installation is completed. Now I'm going to click on the close and I am minimizing all other tabs. So let's see how we can access Python in our system. So I'm just opening my terminal here, and here I'm going to type a command Python space hyphen hyphen version and click enter. So here you can see Python 3.11.4. So it means Python is installed in our system successfully. Apart from this, in your search menu, search for Python and you can see Python 3.11 and it's a 64-bit. And as well here you can see idle Python. So it's a kind of IDE provided by Python default. So here I am going to 1 plus 2 and 3. So here you can see you can run any kind of Python program in idle as well, but it's just an interface. So this is all for today's video. In the next video we are going to see how we can install Visual Studio Code in our operating system. Till then, happy coding.